quick. Here are the two Linuxes. Oh, there's dogs right there. I'm gonna be quick. Of course, they have Emerson Copeland skull compressors. I'm not gonna get the data on that. I'm just gonna hurry up. So yeah, next units. I hear the American Standards, which, why are none of them running? It's literally 80. Well, here they are again, and the carriers. And nothing got replaced. I tried to come here in the winter, but it didn't end up happening. 2013, 49,000 BTUs. Yeah, they all have alliances. It's the Comfort, which needs a cleaning. Wow. Emerson. 2023, 5-ton. It's a 15 seer. Yeah, it hasn't been on it. Let's check on the other ones. Well, none of them are on. Reset. Here's the 2023 Comfort. 2.5 ton. And yeah, it has an Emerson Copeland scroll. I won't get to the big ones, but oh, never mind. Thought it was running. I'm not getting into those. Here's the plant that I don't know why. This is an odd place for it to grow, but well, that's unfortunate. Kinda need to redeem myself. Nothing's running. I may go to another place to redeem myself, see if something is on. Yeah, lines are warm. Well, that's unfortunate. It's 80 degrees, nothing's running. It's very unfortunate. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty boring video then. Okay. Nothing's on. Well, hopefully I can revisit these in the summertime. That is a big reversing valve right there. Alright. Yeah, usually something's on, but alright. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.